In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create memorized transactions in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to set up recurring transactions so QuickBooks can do more of the repetitive work for you, and you can stay organized with less effort. First, let's get to the right place in QuickBooks Online. From your main dashboard, look toward the top right corner and click on the gear icon. This opens up a menu with several sections. Under the section labeled Lists, click on Recurring Transactions. This is where all of your existing templates live and where you'll create new ones. Once you're on the Recurring Transactions page, you'll see a list of any templates you already have. To create a new one, go to the top right area of this page and click the New button. This tells QuickBooks that you're starting a fresh recurring template. Next, QuickBooks will ask you what type of transaction you want to memorize. You'll see a drop-down menu with options like Invoice, Expense, and Journal Entry, among others. Choose the type that matches what you want to automate. For example, pick Invoice for a monthly subscription you bill a client for, or Expense for something like rent, or a software subscription. Once you've selected the appropriate type, click OK to move on. Now you'll be taken to a screen that looks very similar to a normal transaction form, but this one is specifically for creating a template. Start by giving your template a clear, descriptive name. Something like monthly rent or website maintenance invoice works well. A good name makes it easy to recognize later, especially when you have many templates. Below that, you'll choose the template type, which controls how QuickBooks handles the transaction. If you choose Scheduled, QuickBooks will automatically create and, depending on the transaction type, even send or post it on the schedule you define. This is ideal for fixed, predictable amounts. If you select Reminder, QuickBooks won't post anything automatically. Instead, it will remind you when the transaction is due so you can review and approve it first. This is helpful when amounts change slightly each period. The last option, Unscheduled, simply saves the transaction as a template without any automatic timing. You'll manually use it whenever you need it, which is great for occasional but similar transactions. Once the type is selected, fill in all the necessary details just as you would for a normal transaction. That includes the customer or vendor, the accounts involved, the description, the amount, and any tax or class information your business uses. The more accurately you complete this now, the less you'll have to adjust in the future. When you're done, simply save the template. Your memorized transaction is now ready, and QuickBooks Online will handle it according to the options you set.